where we are we're trading to basically leave the ride sharing lifestyle into day trading. So here we go. Where well, as Sergio does not like when the yellow line, when the green line crosses the yellow line, um, that's what I make money. All right, and I get whatever meeting does.
Bro, I got him. I got even with him last night for cracking me up with that. They so rideshare guys has their podcast every morning or every Tuesday night at 6 o'clock.
Uh huh.
Now I honestly did not have intention on doing this to him. I really didn't. But I just happened to be out working, right? I happened to be out working and they was slow as a dog's hind parts last night. So I start watching the podcast. I caught it right at 6 o'clock. First time I ever caught it at its start. And I put in there. I said, okay, no orange line over green or whatever I said, orange line over blue lines, whatever it was, right?
Uh huh.
Tonight. And he lost it. You could see him just start. I mean, he kept his cool. Don't get me wrong. He kept his cool pretty good.
I got to
Right?
see that. I got
But
to see that.
I got him. I got him. He got me yesterday morning. I got him last night. And then he texted me when it was over. He's like, bro, you got me with that one. But I kept it together. And you can just see him like this, dude. Just like he
Yeah,
reads it, all
he
of a
was.
sudden he starts smiling, he's trying to hold it, and then he's dropping his head, he's doing this. I'm like, yeah, two can play that game, damn it. Fair play.
Good morning, Wes and Fun Trader. Welcome, welcome. Uh,
Fun trader, fun
all right,
trader. I have
be aware. I don't know. I think Fun Trader. I don't think Fun is Fun Trader new. Okay, Fun Trader is not new. So there's a challenge here where we take $1,000 and we take it into 2,000. All right. Right now I'm at 1,028, and Vinny was at what is it? 11.
well, remember, yeah, no, 11, bro.
Oh wait, hold on.
Why do you keep dishing me like that, bro? Why do you keep dissing me like that?
put it up. Oh, 1332.
But but but
1332.
I gave back a couple bucks yesterday in the afternoon. Yesterday, remember? Before I
Yeah,
went to
correct.
work, I gave back a couple. I took a chance on SPX. And I was in profit. I just wasn't in profit where I wanted to be. So,
All right.
but
And now,
bro, why do you disrespecting my money, bro?
well, usually we close at a different amount, but then when we open, you have a different amount. So
No, 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 no. I'm only trading. Only trading.
correct.
Come
Now
on now.
remember, these are our rules. Our rules is that you can only use the amount that you have on your account. So if it's $1,000 and you use 300, then out of that $1,000, now you can't use 300 again. Okay, you have to bring it down to 700. So only 700 of that account. We do make our mistakes every here and there, um, but it's just being as realistic as possible because when we do go into real live trading with real money, then once you lose money, you can't use it again until the next day. So that's the rules, and the first 2 hours is when we do our trading. Sometimes we
Bro,
go hard,
I,
right?
I just got yelled. I just got yelled at.
Oh, you got yelled at?
Yeah, fun trader. He sent me an email, and I've been meaning to get back to the email, but I'm so damn busy. But now he just yelled at me. He said, "I don't get back." But I thought I
Oh,
responded to him.
oh,
But
yeah, fun
I,
trader.
you know,
Listen, it's,
hey,
yeah,
you know what?
so
It's
busy.
okay.
We are so busy. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, fun trader. Um, listen, you're gonna like the book, fun trader. If you're in my area,
No,
well, actually, no,
no,
if
he's in my backyard.
somewhere else, and
He's in my backyard.
what is it?
He's in my backyard. He's in my backyard.
Oh, okay. Because I can't find anybody that can tweak my strategies for them to work in their state. You know. So,
Uh huh. Uh
but
huh.
yeah, thank you. Thank
Listen,
you.
markets are open. Markets are open.
Market is open. Ding, ding. Why there's
Yeah.
no bell?
What the hell? I don't know what's going on.
So I'm gonna go ahead. Well, remember we have that
But
that news coming out
now,
at
wait,
what is
wait, wait, wait. Now I got Richie cussing me out. Like, you know what? Everybody wants to cuss me out today. Okay, okay. Y'all gonna live to regret it. Everybody want to cuss me out today because
You should
okay.
change the K on cuz to the C. Instead of cuz with a K,
Everybody want to cuss me out today.
because
Okay, okay. Richie's cussing me out because you sound like you're in a tunnel.
oh, I sound like I'm in a tunnel.
Fun trade is cussing me out because I haven't gotten back to him yet. Right?
Fun. See, now it's
That,
okay. You
that,
put the pressure
wait,
on.
wait, 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 wait. That person I live with already cussed me out when that person was leaving this morning. So since everybody want to cuss me out today, okay. Ah!
Halting time.
Now y'all gonna get the Vinny cuz you never thought existed. I'm just gonna be the soundboard operator today. Eddie's gonna do all the talking. I still love everybody though, because I'm that dude. I'm that guy. I am that guy.
Okay, cool, fun trader. I like that.
I'm that guy. All right, bro. You're doing all the talking today. I'm not talking.
Yeah, well, hold on. See, I can put my headset on, but I have to kind of like lean forward.
Hold on. I gotta say
All
good
right,
morning
so
to
here we go.
Chris.
Fun. Is it still echoing?
No, now you sound like legit guy. Anyway, hey, I am gonna say good morning to the queen. I'm gonna say good morning to my
Good morning. Is she here? Oh yeah, she is.
gotta say good morning to the queen.
We damn, we need more sound effects. I'm telling you that.
Bro, stop. See, now here we go. You know what? I'm taking my ball and I'm going home.
But I didn't even say. I didn't even cuss you out.
Not yet, but no. Kiara and I are supposed to get together the past couple of nights, and our timing has just been terrible for each other. You know, she's been cheating on me with another guy. You know, another soundboard engineer, and so like, you know. Oh, Wes, you know what?
Oh,
Damn it, Wes. I meant to do this, and you know what? I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it right now because I'm not doing any trade until probably 10 a.m. this morning. Do you know why I'm not doing any trade until 10 a.m. this morning? Would you like to know why?
um, because we have to wait.
No, it's got
Do
nothing
we
to do
have
with
news coming out?
we fired off yesterday early. I fired that first leg off like 4 minutes into the market open. Nope. There is so much crap going on in the market right now. The chickens are coming home to roost. So he wanted me to take a look at Apple puts. I remember he'd say that. Let me hit the daily first. Let me see where we're at on the daily. I am looking at Apple now.
Apple puts. Wait, hold on. But there is this bottom right here of Apple puts, and it's bouncing right off of it.
Ah, I see a spot. Because I had some stuff previously charted here. And you know, I am not an Apple fan, dude. I do not like Apple. I think Apple's one of the most if not the most overrated product ever on the market. They don't innovate squat, they don't innovate nothing.
What was it? iPhone 3 was the same as iPhone 4, and then 4 was the same as 5.
Bro, I don't know, a lot of viewers won't know the story, but I have an iPhone 12 Pro that from the second day I had it, I wanted to throw that bitch out the window. Um, to me, to me, they do not they haven't made anything new since Steve Jobs died, bro. You just got to call it what it is, right? Ah, I see a little gap here too. All right,
See
let me.
this back in the day, February the 23rd, Friday. It bottomed out right there, and is right at that level.
So let me get a little. Let me
It,
get.
it
Hey,
bounced right off of it, and now wow, now it's coming back down. Hold on,
well,
let me
if
bring that
it
up.
breaks the 200 here, bro, it's going to be hell to pay, and it's going to break the 200. But if it breaks the 200 moving average, it's going to be hell to pay. All right, I got a gap already. We got an open gap there on the daily. No, no pre-market after market.
Hold on, let me look at the not auto. Let's
All right,
extend it.
let's see that gap. Let me. I'm trying to find. Oh, let's see. Do. Bro, you got to run the channel, bro. You got to answer all the what you
Yeah, yeah.
call it.
Hold on.
Hey, that's your job, bro. Everybody hates Vinny today, so that's your job.
Android, baby. Yeah, Fun Trader. Android is the only way. I mean, I don't know what kind of bad stuff does Samsung do. I mean, so
Nope.
Apple has got the whole uh child labor accusement. They accuse them of that, and then we have what does Samsung do? They just like
Samsung's in the same boat. Samsung's in the same boat, bro. Don't get it twisted. They all make their products in the same place. Just Apple claims they claim the moral superiority over the rest of the world because of their gay CEO, which I don't have a problem with people being gay, but you're not special because you're gay. You're not special because you're straight. You're not special because you're white or black or green or purple. That's not what makes you special. That just makes you human.
makes you
You-
special is when you can like
When you can turn an
when you
Uber
can do
job
the
into
job.
a full time
Yeah.
trading job.
Oh, that'd be a good idea. That's a good one. That's a good
I know
idea.
it is. Bro, I live my life completely different than most people.
All right,
Like
look, this is
I
Tesla.
hate
Look,
I ain't worrying about Tesla. I tell you, I'm not trading, not even looking. I'm mad at the world this morning because everybody's mad at me. Wes, I'm on you, bro. I am looking, I am mapping and charting out right now on Apple. I see some spots on Apple. I do. I see it, bro. I see it. I see what you're saying, bro.
I have by the way, Fun Trader, I have the Fold, the Samsung Fold. Well, it's because I do a lot of things and editing. I
Show
do
off.
everything on it. But I do
Show off.
have the Ultra Note, the Note Ultra 20 or whatever, something like that. The
Show
one
off.
with the big screen. But then again, now I
Show,
got this big screen,
show off.
so I can't go back.
Show off.
I don't want to go back.
Show off. All right. Watch Spy. I got some zones set up on Spy too. Remember how we traded yesterday? There's going to be some winners today. I don't want to get involved in this market too quick this morning. You got the minutes are going to be released today, so you're going to have a lot of hedge fund manipulation going on this morning, market maker manipulation going on this morning. Got to be very careful this morning. All right, I am looking. I've got Apple mapped out on the daily. I'm trying to find some areas that,
I need my opportunity. I need my
bro, you have your
MACDs got to
opportunity,
look like this in either direction. Okay, and then I must be RSI has to be in the same direction also. But I'm also looking at other ones. So I got let me see. I got Tesla here, but I got Tesla and QQQ.
bro. I just hope Sergio doesn't hear you say, "I'm looking for my yellow line to go over my orange line."
Oh, just wait. It's not time yet. Just
It's
wait till it
tomorrow.
sets up. Just wait till it sets up.
Ah, bro, this might not even be a good trading morning.
I could
Remember,
say,
remember, do not force the trade. I got Spy and Tesla over here on my charts. You got I didn't realize my charts
well,
were
I
up.
have SPY, Tesla, and I have the QQQ, and the QQQ is setting up. But I don't know. I'm not trading
Look,
the
you got
QQQ yet.
listen,
Um,
Tesla, relax. Tesla and Spy are trading in a little channel here. That's it. They're chopping right now. You got morning chop. Morning chop.
yeah, told you
All
Tesla
right.
is bouncing off. You see that? It's bouncing off my line.
All right. I'm going to order another piece today. God, I didn't want to do this, but I'm going to have to order a piece today. I'm going to have to order another Elgato piece today.
Order what piece? A piece of what?
Because I've got the two computers, right? And because we're on this screen, I like to keep my charts or my trading on one computer, right? But because we're live streaming, I've got I don't want to put restream on the trading computer. So I am going to purchase The Elgato, it's a piece where you can hook up two computers, and I can bring
Yeah.
in a screen from one computer over into the live stream.
Oh,
So I'm gonna have to do that. I ain't gonna have no choice. I didn't want to do that, but I might
so, you,
order a camera
so you're
today.
gonna have to get another TV on top of your How many screens do
No,
you have?
no. I have five screens, five big
So
ass
you,
screens.
so you need six.
No. What it does is it allow me to feed the trading computer into my production computer. It just allows me to bring a window over. It's a connection device. That's all.
But it's just the window, right?
Gamers, yeah. Gamers use it all the time, bro. Gamers use it all the time. Gamers do. Oh, Fun Trader. Oh, big man
Yeah.
on call.
Hey, by the way,
He
Fun Trader
just
was
he just got
asking,
his he just got his S23 Ultra last Tuesday.
yeah,
Oh, fancy, bro. You know I'm just messing with you, so don't get all twisted, bro. We're good. Uh, I'm having fun this morning, bro. I done got cussed out 3 times. Fuck that. I'm gonna have some fun. You would have been up hopping in yesterday. That's what I said all
yeah.
in.
But
I'm not sure what he's talking about.
well, by the way, the Fold is like I think it's like 2 grand, but then if you trade like a phone in, they give you like an $800 discount. So
You know, I'd like to get that fold. I looked at it, but it's too expensive, bro.
yeah,
It's too expensive. Like what the
very,
hell?
very, very expensive.
Fun Trader says we good like Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong spelled with a K, not a C. Ah, he made the correction. Okay. He made the correction. Okay. Where's
I
Wes?
do have a long-term portfolio, but I have them both under my kids, and so dividends. The dogs of the Dow strategy, and I keep buying a couple of shares here and there for them.
I
But
I do have.
I'm a little skeptical about or give them. They have until the age of 21 before they touch it. So I want to, if I get to learn this, I want to teach them this, so they can take that money and duplicate it themselves instead of me just basically putting money away, and then by the time they reach the age of 21, they got like so much money that they cash out and then they're broke again.
Well, that's gonna happen anyway, bro. Bidenomics, it's gonna happen anyway. What are you talking about? You will own nothing and you will like it.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Bro,
That's
I'm
when
feeling
you will
salty.
own nothing, and then you will take it from other people that don't own nothing, because technically, uh, I just I don't know.
Because people
And then
suck.
if nobody owns nothing, you know what people are gonna do? They're gonna start building it themselves.
No, you're living in the damn caves. You're gonna wind up living in a
Yeah.
cave,
Would you
bro.
believe
Watch.
it that like the
These
world,
things happen.
the world, the new world order was like a thing back in the day.
It's
It's like
still
the
a thing.
biggest
What are
like
you talking about?
it was like the biggest conspiracy theory. It's like no, that's not true. That's not
Anyway,
true. And
Richie
now
is
everybody
correct.
is like,
Dividend
ooh,
stocks. Dividend stocks. And Fund Trader, yes, I have a couple of long term holdings. I don't want you to go and I have a certain stock that I've had since. Let's just put it this way: my dollar cost average on that stock is under $4, and that stock today is trading over 200. And I have a few of them. That's my retirement. That's the shit that if they come for it, Second Amendment, baby. Anyway, all right. I'm looking at Apple. I see Apple. I see what you're saying, Wes, with Apple. It's down 148.29. We're gonna see if it's gonna fill this gap today. I would expect if it's gonna pop. All right, Wes. I don't know if you're listening or not. I wish I could bring this chart up real quick, but I've got that gap fill down to 146.50. So we need to get there first, and then that'll be the telltale. Then I got a 143, a 140 as some or support resistance. It has on the 5 minute chart. It has broken the 200 moving average, but on the daily chart, we're not there yet. On the daily chart, we're not there yet. It's the daily chart right now. I got my 200 moving at about 147.50 in that range.
all right. Well, I kind of like what's going on. It's 8:45.
Uh,
I'm gonna take a tiny, tiny, tiny trade here.
you go for it. I don't like any setup shit. I don't have any. I don't have any faith in nothing. Spy. I got my 90 MA above, but I've got
It's
my.
just, you know what? I agree. You know what? I take that back. I'm not gonna take the trade. It's just my lines are not spread enough. Everything's
Exactly.
too close together, and usually when all my lines are all close together, okay, I'm just gambling.
That's bad news. That's right. We do not gamble. Well, we
I'm
do.
just gambling. I want to play the odds. I just
Uh,
want to play the odds.
let's see what else we got. Wes, you're supposed to be doing this, bro. I'm not supposed to be doing this
Okay.
today. This is your job today. I'm just here. I'm the
Yeah.
sidekick.
Well then.
I'm,
Yeah.
I'm the
Well,
dog.
Wes wants you to do the
Dog
spy
and
calls. Spy calls.
I'm mad at the world today. Leave me alone. Don't judge. I will do this though with Apple. I hate Apple. God, I hate Apple. Why can't they make a phone called Orange? I prefer Orange
uh,
instead.
Hello there, commuter branch. Hold on. Yeah, commuter branch was waving it. She is
Izzy,
waving
what's going on, bro? Big dog from across the pond. I don't know, man. Do Irish people get pissed off when we say across the pond? Because that's like a British thing, isn't it?
Well, I wonder how it would sound like when he gets really mad.
I don't want to know, bro.
Yeah.
You see that guy? You see that guy from Ireland, right? He was like
No.
he was like world champion. Conor McGregor.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, kind of, yeah.
You see, he's got a new whiskey coming out. It's apple whiskey now.
Apple whiskey.
Yeah, apple whiskey. No, Richie, it's not all gambling. Stop that. We day traders do not gamble. We make calculated risks. That's like saying poker players are gambling. Poker players do not gamble, bro. Poker players make decisions based on probabilities. Same thing with stocks and options, right? Now, people who play slot machines, those are gamblers because they got no control. House always wins, bro. And poker and trading, well,
Why do you think they when you go to a casino, there are certain people that are not allowed in there?
well,
I
wait a
wonder
second.
who those are.
Richie is a Richie likes his gambling trips. He takes trips and he likes to gamble. I would call him a professional gambler, but Richie's got common sense, so I can't call him a gambler. But he likes to gamble. He'll probably be cussing me out in a minute too, and I'm all right with that. That's all right with that. You can cuss me out. I don't give a damn this morning. I don't care.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I will send you to the gallows this morning. Actually, I'm in a good mood. I'm salty, but I'm in a good mood. It's still gambling. Okay, Richie. Okay, I can't put you in timeout because you're not on the screen. Love you, bro. Love you, bro. Everything's a gamble. Walking out your front door in the morning is a gamble. Getting up out of bed, trying to get to the bathroom with one eye open is a gamble. Getting out of the shower without putting a towel or a floor mat on the bathroom floor is a gamble.
All right,
Life is a gamble.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna buy here a 402 call. All right, it's only like $84.
I'm not touching shit. I'm in Dom mode.
Come on, Phil, Phil. There we go.
Actually, I might.
Okay, Iron Man. I'm just waiting for this 400 break right here, which is a
Well, nobody can see what you're doing
psychological
if you don't
level.
put your screen up, bro. You got to put your screen up, bro. What are we talking about?
My screen is up. Oh, okay.
No, my screen was up.
All right, because you took it
What are
off.
we doing here? You know what? Be nice. Be nice, bro. Be nice. I'm telling you. I that guy today, man. I tell you something, bro. You don't want none on me, man. I tell you. You don't want none on me. I don't come from no Puerto Rico, man. I come from Cuba. Cuba, man.
Oh, and it's working against me already.
See? Told you.
So
Told
if I
you.
stop right here.
I'm gonna start hunting some spy puts. I mean Tesla puts. Tesla's in a zone. It's in a zone. Get in the zone, auto zone. I need a drink, man. I need a drink. I need to go back to bed. Do I want to look at? I want to look
There
at
you
that
go. All
95.
right, I'm getting out. I'm getting out of this trade.
So
Doing
get out.
against me.
So get out the trade, bro.
There you go. I'm out.
All right. Now I want to see what this is going to do.
That was a gamble. That one was a gamble. That
That
one
was
was definitely a gamble.
a gamble.
Yeah.
Don't gamble, bro. Don't gamble. I am liking this.
I was just doing like I was doing a Marvel universe, like what if?
Oh man, I used to have that too. I used to have the Marvel on my soundboard. Avengers Assemble.
Yeah. By the way, there's a new movie coming out with Ant Man.
Yeah.
But if you guys don't watch the series of Loki, you're not gonna understand it. Be like, where the hell did this bad guy come from? Freaking Loki's fault. He messed up. Actually, she messed up. Did you happen to know? Would you happen to know that in the movie Loki, in the series Loki, Loki fell himself. He fell in love with himself.
Loki fell in love with himself.
Yeah, yeah.
Eddie, watch the higher time frame for scalping. Yeah, bro. I'm trying to teach him, bro. I'm trying to teach him. He's using Trading View now, so now he's got no excuse.
Yeah,
He's
I
got
got
no
it.
excuse.
I got it right there. See it?
Bro, I haven't even checked on really what the market's doing this morning. Let me take a quick look. Bulletin:
I
U.S.
got.
stocks struggle toward modest gains at opening bell after 2023's worst day. Well, no sugar. Market watch. Biggest shill. Bro, the biggest shill after Jim Cramer is Market Watch. They do nothing but shill, shill, shoe. They are paid to play writers. Paid to play writers, bro. I don't like them. But I can go to their website and figure out what I want to do. Wes says, I am in a spy call. Wait a minute. Hold on. I hit the wrong one. Shit. My bad. Eddie's supposed to be doing this crap, not me.
Yeah. Hey,
I'm
hey,
in
hey.
I'm in
I'm
spy
looking at
call.
the.
I'll be out around 4:02. Go ahead, bro. What am I too much for you this morning, bro? Too much?
Yeah, no,
Oh,
I'm just on the spy. It is just the pullback.
there's my move. There's my move. There's my move. Oh man, did I miss this move?
See, but I'm
Yeah,
looking.
need confirmation. Confirmation. Just letting you know, look, because you messing around here this morning. All right, so we got the contract 195 put on the left side. We've got the actual stock on the right side, Tesla, waiting for confirmation. I am going to wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. This is a 195 put for this week. This put's getting expensive though. God dang it. Waiting for confirmation. Now, if I wanted to get slick, I could say there was there's an area in here on the opening morning range. Let's see. Why is this is that's the wrong thing. That's not what I'm looking for. So you see my confirmation, right? Is this 197.40 area? Do you know why that's my confirmation, Edward?
where you at?
Because right here on the chart. The reason why that's my confirmation.
Yeah,
Remember
yeah.
what this yesterday?
Are
Wick,
you looking at? Oh, yeah, you're looking at
wick
tech.
bounce, wick bounce, wick bounce, wick bounce. Bounce. See all these wicks? Rocket ships taking off, as the peachy investor would say. So we're waiting for confirmation because I can flip it and go the other way too. Waiting for confirmation, my friend. Meanwhile, the contract's up about $60 right now from where I should have got in. But I don't trust it. I need confirmation, Holmes. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing, bro? Do you see what I'm doing, bro? I'll make it bigger for those that need glasses like Richie. Wow, this contract is up a ton. Up a ton from when I first looked at it, bro. Okay, Eddie can't hear me. See, I got to carry the show again. God dang it, wang it. Eddie's got technical difficulties. He needs hearing aids. He didn't charge his microphone. I'm not going to say he was on OnlyFans or anything all night. I'm just going to say that his headset is not charged. That's usually from use. He was doing OnlyFans for stock dummies. He was listening to Patrick Wheeland. I don't know, bro. He's gone. What the hell? Waiting on confirmation, y'all. Waiting on confirmation. I still don't see the confirmation yet. I'm just going to move this around. Y'all see what I'm doing? Wes, you see what I'm doing here, right? Right? We need to break below this. If we break below this, then I'm shooting for this 195 contract. And it's coming. It's coming, but I don't need a wick. I'll make sure I'm on. Yeah, that's a 1 minute chart. See if this is just a chop morning or if it's actually going to do some damage. VIX is up over 22, but the 10-year is dropping like it's hot. Oil is dropping. Dollar is down. Tesla, there she goes. I missed it. God damn it, Richie. Quit texting me, Richie. God damn it, son of a bumpkin. That's where that one's supposed to be. God dang it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Richie is cussing me out. Richie sent me all kinds of texts. He's cussing me out this morning. Cussing me out. I missed the move. Eddie. That could have been $100 swing, bro. I missed the move. Now we got to look going back the other way. God dang it, wang it.
This is the Tesla, right?
Yeah, but I missed the leg. I missed this leg right here, bro.
Yeah, see, that was where my line was, man.
I missed the leg. I missed the leg, my friend. I missed the leg. Bam.
If I look at my daily.
Bam. Look at that. Missed the leg. See the trend?
On Tesla. Was it daily or was it hourly? Was it daily or? See this? It was just, it came here and just touched here. It touched the big candle, those nice little long wicks that you like to look at. Okay, and then right here, and then right here, it's like down, up and down, and it just broke to the downside. But let's see if it continues. It's got to break that pre-market low of 195.34, right? If I'm looking at it right.
I don't know, man. I got everybody coming at me this morning. I might log off and leave you by yourself today. Richie makes 4 people now yelling at me.
Oh, and you're on the chat.
No, on a goddamn telephone.
Oh, tell him to come on the live.
Richie is on the live.
So what the hell?
He's in the chat. Oh, this leg is making me sick. Contract is now $4.83. I was looking at $3.30 something to get in. I missed the leg. Now I got to wait for the reversal.
Oh, that is so right.
Oh God, I got to wait for the reversal now.
Vanessa's here. Oh, that's a Twitter.
Twitter? Who's on Twitter, bro?
No, Vanessa Sierra. I read it really quick, and it was something about gender. So
gender? Oh my God! Look at this thing falling like a rock. Look at Twitter falling like a rock. All right, so if that's the case,
Some
That's the
Tesla
case.
puts.
Next area is 190.50. All right. All right. So this is invalidated now. And get rid of that.
Look at that possible entry right here on Tesla. If you get that pullback back to that 197.45 and then take it to the downside. Ooh.
Well, you got to be careful too, because it might show you a false flag.
Yep.
If it does something like this, right? If it does something like that, and then fire right back down again.
Uh-huh.
If it
Yeah,
can even get there.
I'm talking about a put. If it pulls back to my 9 EMA.
Well, watch your wicks on your candles. Your wicks on your candles gonna tell you the story.
I'm not taking the trade yet, but I also have, SPY on my bottom screen here, and then I have QQQ and Tesla. But I should take out QQQ because QQQ.
God, Louise, I did the wrong one.
Oh, QQQ is looking good too. $20.
Oh, wait a minute.
20. Let's save this chart again. Yeah.
Why did I go so damn low there?
See this level, this 399 or 400 level on SPY that I'm looking at. Let me see, 2 minute, 3 minute.
Let's get ready to break out of this other channel here. Wait, look at the RSI though. The RSI is so Wes, I know you can't see this, but on my Tesla charts, I've got a 1, a 5, and a 15 up. You know what? I need to bring this up here, bro. God damn it. I didn't want to do this. I'm going to have to do it. I want people to see what I'm talking about here.
Hey, how do you extend your Fibonacci retracement on the in TraderView? See how I have it right here? How do I extend my lines to go over here?
What do you mean extend your lens? What are you talking about?
Yeah, you know how I did my fib?
Bro, I can't
Right
see
here?
what you're doing if you don't bring your screen up.
Oh, taking my
What do
screen.
you mean? How do you extend them? There, you got it. Just grab one corner and pull it over.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but it's not.
Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? You just moved it.
Yeah, but I want it to stay right there where my lines are. But I want these lines to go across over here. I want all these levels to show up over here also. You know what I'm talking about? Do you know what I mean?
Nope, I don't. Just letting you know, I've taken two 190 puts just now. I had to, bro. I had to. 335. I'm in at.
Hold on, you are in, yeah, Tesla. Okay. Remember, it's an oversold.
No, I'm in puts, bro. I'm not in calls, and I'm probably gonna regret it. I might have waited way too long to get out of these damn things.
take I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, no, but I got all my lines here. I did what I was trying to tell you earlier was I basically took the last pivot point on the daily, low, high, and I'm using those as my trading. Uh,
I want to
so
show.
I'm gonna go into the hourly. They're right here. So now I'm gonna be, waiting for my signal on the one, on the two, or the three.
All right, so I am going to show you my chart. So Wes, now Wes can see. I've got my. This is the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute chart. I've got my channel here on Tesla set up. I can get rid of this because that was a 945 so for me. So we're going to see what happens here.
Man, I just really need that pull like back to the 9 EMA.
Well,
Really?
here Tesla just pulled to the 9 EMA. What are you talking about?
No, I'm not looking at Tesla. I'm looking at SPA.
Oh, okay.
Man, I don't know.
Can't believe I missed that move, bro. That was a $150 move this morning. God damn it. Oh well, moving on. Next. Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of this.
So,
See, this is such a huge level too, dude. That 195 level, such a huge level.
oh,
Yeah,
on Tesla.
I might have to pull out of these. I'm already down. I'm down 6% already.
It's pulling up. Look at Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's pulling up right to the 9 EMA. Let's see what happens. I have it on the 2 minute.
What the?
Let me see, 3 minute.
Trading View is messing up, bro. I'm going to stop recommending them in a minute. I'm going to have to reach out to them. I got to reach out to support, see what the hell they're doing over here. Anyway, while we're in the middle here, anybody who wants to get into trading can look at Webull. There's a in your upper left hand corner of your screen. Just scan that code, and you can take a look at Webull. It's a free trading platform. You can get into it. You can absolutely start to learn how a trading platform works. You can paper trade. You don't have to put any money. Don't cost you nothing. You have a mobile version and you have a desktop. We trade on the desktop versions. You got a lot of background noise, Eddie. Trading View. If you just want to start charting, like what I have on the screen right now, you can also do this for free. It'll give you 3 indicators for free. You can start learning how to chart and set your support and resistance levels, supply and demand levels. It's all there for you. Hit the codes and you'll be all right. We make no money off of those unless you deposit or purchase. And I am telling you, you can do it for free. So we want to help, not hurt. All right, we broke that 194 level.
I'm in one put of SPY.
Look at this baby coming down to daddy. Come to daddy, god dang it. Come to daddy. Let's go.
The hell is that sound for?
That's because I am now up 14%.
I'm up 12.
So we're gonna set a sell order here at. I'm gonna sell one of these at $4 if I can get there. We'll sell one of these puts at $4.
Ooh,
Oh, we are looking.
love it. I love it. Okay, all right. I got my ooh,
All right.
26, 26. Ooh, what am I? 26%?
Oh,
All right, yep, I know there's an echo, but sold my position 26%. So it's not a lot, but I think it was I think it was like a $90 put or something like that.
I'm just watching my chart. You see now we're way out of the channel. So when you get out of a channel like this, you got to look for that sharp V recovery. The next option contracts are at 192.50. I'm going to get out. I'm trying to get out of this contract at 415. Let's see if it's sold. And it has sold. So I am up. What did I start the day at? 1330. I started the day at 30. Yep, there we go. I can show you this now, bro. Let me show you this. I missed that first leg, though, dude. God dang. I'm so pissed off I missed that first leg. As you can see now, I am up $151 on the day.
Nice.
That's a little over, what would that percentage be? I started at 1330. It'd be like 11%, 11.5%.
That was like 80 cents per contract, you said?
Huh? Hell no. These contracts cost me $3.35. $335 contract. I got out of one at 400, and I got out of the other one at it's not here yet. That's XPX. That's yesterday. Mofo, where's today? There it is. I got out of one at $4. I got out of the other one at 405.
Damn, that's really good.
I bought sorry. I got out of one at 411 out of 410. So that put me in at $151 for the day. No ride sharing today, baby. If I was trading with my live account. That's bullshit. I'd still get out there. Even though hey y'all, we got the Rider Garage tonight too. Y'all make sure you tune in. All my rideshare drivers, all my rideshare drivers, all my Uber Eats drivers, my DoorDash drivers, old drivers and new drivers. I'm gonna break down my YouTube short I put up last night. If you haven't seen the short, you can go to my channel and check it out. It's a question. I had 4 ride requests last night. It was a very slow night. I had 4 ride requests on Lyft. 3 I took, 1 I didn't. I put it in as a short, asking everybody, would you have taken the rides? And I'm just curious to see. We're going to talk about that tonight on the Rideshare Garage. All right, Eddie, what do you got going on, buddy? I'm in the money, so where are you at?
I'm setting up my trade right now. I got the pullback, that 398, but I'm technically in oversold level right here. So I got the QQQ in oversold, and maybe for a pullback.
On what time frame?
I'm in the 2 minute. I'm sorry, hold on. Now I'm
Well,
in the
check
2
your
minute.
time frames out on the other ones too. Okay?
Yeah, 2 minute, 2 minute. I'm
Check
on
your
the
time
2 minute.
frames on all of them. So 335, 335, what's that? 70. So that was 670. I spent already. 0. Carry that down. That would be a 6, 12. I still have $660 if I want to trade again.
Yeah, I'm only down. I only use like $200 on my account, so. But I might take another one right here.
Wait for a good setup. Get you a good setup.
But
Make sure you got a good setup.
it's oversold. So I'm thinking about it, but I don't think I'm gonna go for it. It's just, I don't know, maybe.
Wes is up 93% on Apple. Woo! Yeah, Apple's slamming down, dude. He called it. He called the Apple.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one. It broke that lower level right there.
Look at Wes. Do you
I'm
see
in,
the gap? I see that gap on Apple. 146.50 bottoms out that gap.
I'm in 5 puts, 300 and about $350.
Good job, buddy. Julio, good morning, guys. Make that money. How's the caddy, Eddie? Did they fix it?
Yeah, they fixed it. It was actually um, a starter and a fuse, but they fixed it. It was free. It was under warranty, so.
What about the brakes? What are they doing with that shit?
Oh, 398, I think it was that they charged me.
They just did pads, or they resurfaced the rotors too?
No, they just put brakes in there.
I don't even know why they would mention rotors. You know, it's like that little add-on shit these freaking people try to do, man, to try to get more money out of us.
Okay.
All right, Wes, where you at, Wes? I'm watching your Apple, bro. I see your Apple. Big Dog Wes, I know you're a good trader. What happened to Fun Trader? Did he go to work, or is he still with us?
Okay, I'm getting out of these puts. I'll take my $55 loss right here.
I thought you were up.
I was. I was up. I still have another 500 to trade with.
You got to start using channels, man. You got to start using channels.
No, it's just that I see it's oversold. See how it's oversold crossing? So if it pops above the 9 EMA
Uh-huh.
and it closes above the 9 EMA, then I might take that call.
Listen, do me a favor. Run yourself a channel right now. Because if you pull this down a little bit, now hold it. Stop right there. Stop right there. You
Uh-huh.
see what you got? You see what you got going on there? I want you to pull a fib retracement. Go to your trading view chart. I want you to pull a fib retracement before you take a call. You see where it leveled off? You had your down leg, then you had a consolidation, then you had another down leg.
Wait, hold on,
So
hold on.
run your fib from that down leg down to the low a day. And then you get a bigger picture of what's going on.
Not that.
All right. Wes said he just took profit, 125%. Bro, that's the way you make that money, Hoss.
There we
That'll pay
go.
for that'll pay for some brakes. That'll pay for some batteries and starters and fuses. But it'll also buy you a new Tesla. You do it enough times. Sorry, I'm that guy today. It's Wednesday. Fun trader, I see you, bro. I got nothing but love for you, bro. We're gonna go do lunch. I promise. You, me, and Richie. You, me, and Richie will go do lunch. If I can get Richie out of the house, he's getting his new truck. You go, hey, Eddie,
Yeah,
Eddie.
the Q60.
Yeah, he bought a brand new. Well, it's new, but it's used. You ready? He bought a 2023 QX60 used with 500 miles on it. So he was able to get the 8-year bumper to bumper best warranty in the business on the truck.
Yeah, but doesn't the Q60s all come with that bumper to bumper?
No, this is a different type of warranty. This is bumper to bumper for 8 years, unlimited mileage. I just don't, me personally, I don't like the overall shape of the vehicle.
No,
It's too soft. It's too soft for me. There's too many curves.
it's very girlish.
Not even, no,
Well,
it's not.
that's why some of the cars, so were more attracted. Men are more attracted to square cars or right.
I'm not a fan of the truck. I'm not. But for rideshare, it might be the best deal in the business. That Infinity QX60 might be the best deal in the business because of that ability to get that unlimited warranty. Because then you don't give a shit about mileage other than depreciation. But your maintenance, other than your oil changes and brakes, are going to be paid for. Whoa, big slapdown just now on the futures. Watch your spy. Watch your spy. Big slapdown on the futures. Futures just tanked.
Okay, here we go. My position again, which is my calls.
See now, if I remember what Sergio was trying to explain to me with the TLT and triple Qs,
Uh-huh.
um, yeah, I think the bull market, it was a bear. I thought this whole rally was a big bear trap anyway, or a big bull trap anyway. So, see what happens. Looks like West took that apple at a good spot. He's starting to curl back up a little bit on the 1 and the 5 and the 15.
What's going on? Do I have like a big square here?
Tesla's starting to leg back up. Let's see what it wants to do. Or was this another consolidation area?
Okay,
I
let's
got
see
my
what
finger on
on the 2 minute. I am breaking above my 9 EMA. There it goes.
big fit retracement. 5 day to lower day. Oh wow, that's perfect retracement. All right, we lost some viewers, but that's okay. We still love the people that are with us.
Yep. Okay, here's my call. 2 minute. Um, first level. All right, I'm gonna sell. I just wanted to touch that level right here, and I'm gonna sell the majority of them. Okay, here we go. I'm in calls, right? Yeah, spy calls, spy calls, spy calls.
Man, if I would have been paying attention to that first leg, I'd have broke 2,000 today. Yep, 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 yep.
Okay, I'm gonna sell this bid right here. Sell, there we
Yeah,
go.
fluctuator.
If it breaks above it, then I'm gonna hold on to it. Hopefully, break even. But I'm still down 32. I'm still down 32 on the account.
Well, I'm
See,
watching Tesla like a hawk right now.
yep, it doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go.
I want to see what Tesla does when it gets back to this 195 level. I've got a high to low fib retracement on, and it's perfectly lined up to tap the 50% retracement from high to low today, and then see what it does from there. Where's my buddy Omar, bro? Omar needs to bring his ass on the channel with us. Omar would be a good contrarian for me. Omar would force me to look at things from the other perspective too.
All right, I'm gonna get rid of this, my last one. Come on. Come on, Richie. Come on. Is it going through? I don't know if it went through.
Once you punch it out, it'll be there. Excuse me. Uh-oh. Can I hit this sucker twice? Oh, I don't have enough to do it twice. Son of a bitch.
How come it's not closing? My position's not closing.
You got to look at your whatever. It might have been moving too quick, so whatever price you put it in, hit the modify button like I told you. Hit the modify button and hit sell the bid.
There it goes. There it goes. See, actually, just it works for me.
Keeping my eye on the TLT and the triple Qs. I think everything's starting to balance out now. I think we're going to be in a little more chop here.
Yeah, I keep hearing that there's going to be chop until the news.
Well, no, because you just had two huge legs. Well, you just had a huge leg on Tesla, right? Like this leg, bro. This leg is sick. This leg is sick on Tesla, right here.
I'm going to put in the. Yeah, by the way, I saw that golden ratio that you was talking about.
Uh-huh. Look at that leg on Tesla. Did
See
you just?
that golden ratio? See that you were talking about?
Yeah, that's the area you got to worry about.
Yeah.
If they're gonna buy to flip it, that's gonna be the area. If it breaks through that area, then you know the trend's gonna continue.
Yeah, but
Look,
Trader View showed me that not
not Vinny Cuz. Oh my bad. Look at that big leg down this morning from almost a $9 swing, bro. That was a $9 swing on Tesla from high a day at 287 all the way down to 191.75. That's a $9 swing in the stock price. This is why Tesla is the most traded asset on the market for day traders. That's why channels are so damn important. You got to recognize it. All right, Wes. Apple bounced off the 5-minute EMA and or the 9 on the 5, and whoop, went right back down.
yeah, it comes right here in my line. Where I was expecting to sell. I actually sold everything there, but But yeah, so this is like a pullback back towards the VWAP. And I just wait for it to set up again.
Richie said to me, he says,
And
I got $300. I need to turn it into 30,000 to pay off my truck.
ooh, but if you turn it into 30,000, why would you want to pay off your truck?
Because
You
then
should
he's free and clear. No, think about it. He's free and clear.
Correct, but he can just take that 30 and just, if he could take 300 and turn it into 30 grand, you could take 30 grand and turn it into, what is that? Is that's 3 million?
Yeah. It's a lot harder. It's a lot harder to turn 30,000 into 3 million than it is to turn 300 into 30,000.
I know, but if you could take 300 and turn it into 30,000,
Your risk becomes exponential.
yeah.
He says, "Damn, if my funds would have settled, I would have put another put on Apple." Bro, Wes. Wes, my brother, Wes. Wes, you made 125% on your money today, bro. Rejoice. Rejoice. Fundraisers like sold. Good. We get in a trading community here. Okay, I can talk now. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Community. Using rideshare to fund your dreams and goals, man. Using rideshare to get you out of the situation you're in. Because we're always all in some kind of situation. I'm trying to tell you, Wes, the shoulda, coulda, woulda is all imaginary. The what did you do? What have you done lately? That's what's real, bro. That's what's real. I don't like the chop. Apple might fill this gap today though, Wes. I got the gap at somewhere around 146.50. Fill that gap. Let me see what my girlfriend Tesla's doing over here. She's in a consolidation area now.
Okay, let's see what this buy does.
Let's see what fund traders like. I got a little iffy at the beginning, but I trust on the trend. And even me negative, I like to hold and add. Yeah, you got to be careful with adding the dead positions though. Unless you've got some really, really good indications that it's going to turn around. Sometimes, bro, I've lost so much money holding and DCAing down. Like I try not to do that anymore. If that's what you're referring to. But I think Fund Trader says he's been trading options for 5 years. So if that's the true, if what he's saying is true, he's been trading longer than I have on options.
Yeah. I was, there are some little tricks in between, how to trade options to your advantage.
Oh yeah. Yesterday I thought I was in Apple puts most of the day, but I accidentally bought calls. I was like, why am I losing money? But I changed it right before the market closed. Oh yeah, buddy. We've all been there, done that. Anybody who says they haven't accidentally bought a call when they were meant a put,
I've done it here, and this is paper trading.
yeah, you got lucky there. Makes my absolutely. Oh yeah, whenever you can DCA down, but the if you listen to certain mentors, right, they'll tell you add to your winners and cut your losses. It's one of those things. I guess we all got a little bit of a different strategy. If my indicators are telling me that I've got a 75, 80% chance that this thing's going to reverse, I'll DCA down. Because that just means I got in way too early. Lord knows my entries are usually either too early or too late. Depends on if I'm going calls or puts. Then I have my long term and then some for swing and some for day. Absolutely, bro. My one stock that I've been carrying since 2015, my long term, I don't touch it. And believe me, there have been a couple times where I wanted to touch it. But then I go out, do a little ride share, do a little Uber, do a little Lyft, make some money, and realize, you know what, life ain't that bad. I don't need to touch it. Where we at, Eddie? What we got going on there, Bubba?
I don't know. I'm watching the spy right now. Um, again, I'm in some. I'm still in some puts here on the spy.
On the spy? What's your strike price on your puts?
There are my hold on. 396.
396? 396? Woo. That's a long way down. That might have been too far out of the calls. 2 to 3 out of the money is good. Anything more than that can get a little touch that. See, here's another guy who used to trade Forex. So now we got Wes and Fund Trader that both have traded Forex. We need to do a class because I don't know nothing about Forex.
Yeah, I used to do forex back in the day when I forgot what the company was called, and their program was basically just buy when all the arrows, if all the arrows are green, the 5 minute, your 15 minute, your 30 minute, and the hourly. If they're all pointing up, then you buy, and if they're all pointing down, you sell and you hold. And I forgot what the name of it was.
Hey, Wes, I don't blame you, bro. I'd be done for today too at 125% on my money. You got to be kidding me. Tomorrow's another day, bro. Like, big shout out to Wes. He made that call yesterday on the Apple puts. Good job, good job. And then right, Fund Trader. You can trade almost 24 hours a day.
Yeah, because I would like to know. Because I mean, don't get me wrong, he did the Apple, but I was wondering what he was seeing that I wasn't seeing.
On what? On Apple?
Yeah.
Got to do your homework.
So, yeah, that's a Sergio skill.
No. Oh my God, I got to show you again. Okay, I'm going to show you again, Hoss. You have Trading View. You do your homework. That's why I say I want to start getting on. I want to start opening up the live stream at 9:15, not 9:25. I'm going to show you why. Because this morning I sat there and I mapped out all of this on. Bring up the 30-minute channel. I did all my charting this morning when Wes said something. So hold on, I'm going to show you right now. Because I don't trade Apple, bro. I'm just not a big Apple trader. But I did all my charting this morning. So there you go. There's your charting. And what Wes is seeing is right here. Right, this big long run up on Apple.
Yeah.
Right? It's broken down into this. It's broken down below this level. Right here. It's broken down below that level. And we have another downtrend happening right here. Look at this. From here to here. That's a downtrend. Then we had gap fill. So he started, the chart was telling him it was time for it to come back and the price was going to drop. Chart just absolutely screamed to him it was going to drop. And then if you really want to get into it, Here's a fib retrace from this level here. Okay, hold on. Try to shrink the chart up a little bit. From right here to the high, we'll bring it across, and look where we're at. We just broke below the 50% area.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Yeah. So there's your 50% area right here. We're in that zone. Now we're breaking into the next zone, which is the gap fill. And then we're looking to see what Apple's going to do here, which would be 78.6%. Let's do this. We'll put it here. We'll change that to yellow. We're up 4 points. Now we're waiting to see what happens here. I know I'm moving quick, but that's life.
Okay, I see. I see.
Where the hell is my delete button? Oh, there it is. So that's what we're waiting on. We're waiting to see what happens. And you look at your RSI, you look at your MACD, right? Your MACD is turning down again right here. You see it up at the very top.
Yeah.
So on the 30-minute chart, this is screaming it's going to continue to the downside right now. Look at your indicators. There's your 9. There's your VWAP. There's your 9 EMA. There's your 5 EMA. There's your 15 EMA. And then you've got your 200 moving average. Everything's screaming to the downside right now. Everything. Look at your volume on the 30-minute candle. Red candle. Red candle. Screaming.
Okay.
All right. So I want to bring that up.
You gotta keep reviewing these every morning.
That's right. It's trading is repetition. It's just repetition.
Yeah, that's why I keep showing up every morning. That's why I keep showing up every morning.
Show up. That's how we do it. This is how we do it. There must be an update for TradingView. Look at Tesla. Tesla's just going sideways now. Tesla's just in a range now. It's just sideways. It's not doing anything. Let's see. I have that Eddie. It's called Super Easy Forex, but you still need to know what you're doing.
Yeah, correct.
You're welcome, Wes. Fun Trader says I'm also done. Now I lay down in bed and put the right app at Just Black, and if it's worth it, I'll get up and pick them up. I won't harvest in the afternoon. I will just wait and sit for the ride to come to me. I also like the interaction with the riders and their stories. Oh, hell yeah. Don't like those sideways movements. Yeah, but you know what? The sideways movement, for me, gives me an opportunity to go back, relook at the charts, check with the news, see what's happening in the world, see what's happening with the stock, and it gives me a chance to, pause for a minute, take a breath.
Yeah, no, Wes. Not the forex trading. The program that they had. They were trying to make it as so easy to understand that um they put green arrows and red arrows. If all the arrows are red, then you sell. All right. If all the arrows are green, that's when you buy. I forgot what the name of the program was called,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
but it was used for forex trading. So it will basically take your 2 minute, your 3 minute, and your 5 minute, and you know how you can preset like on TD Ameritrade that you can it'll set up an alarm when it goes over a particular line when the candle closes green. So it did all that.
All right. Oil futures are dropping. Listen, right now, Eddie, this is what I need you to do. Watch the screen, Eddie. Watch the screen, Eddie.
I'm watching it. I'm
Ready, Eddie?
watching it.
You ready? You ready? Do it, bro. Talk about it.
Oh, DB credit card. This is how I keep my finances on my business straight. DB credit card, it basically takes all your it's a secured credit card. You put money in there, and then you can take the credit card in an app, and you can divide it into a whole bunch of credit cards, and you can pay your bills individually. So if you have a membership somewhere and you pay them the amount that they always charge you every month, and if for some reason they try to scam you and try to
I
and
love
take more than what they're supposed to,
go.
then the credit card automatically declines. Um, and then you get a notification. Yep, you get a notification, um, and then you can just cancel that credit card, and you can even just open another one. But yeah, you can just go right in the app, and you can open as many credit cards as you need, and you can just fund it from your large amount of funds. You can just fund it with just a little teeny bit and use that money for that particular bill. That's how I have it for my business. I have a $2,000 limit, and that $2,000 goes to pay for all my bills.
Now, what kind of benefit do
So,
you have from using that other than safeguards?
so
Like,
I
will they
believe
convert it?
I have it for business, but I believe you can use it for personal, like if you have a sole proprietorship type of thing.
Okay, but at one point, will they?
You
Do
get
we talk
points.
right? I was going to say, do you get points? Is there? Do they report to the credit bureaus?
Yeah, correct. They report to
What
your to the business credit bureau. They report to the credit bureaus, and also you get points that you can use for purchases, whatever the companies that deal
you know,
with,
a card
which is
a card like this would be good too if if you're straightening out your credit. If you don't have that, 700 or up credit score, this is a good card to build your credit with, and it's secured, so you never have to worry about you know, you never have
this
to
is
worry about defaulting on something because you've already secured it.
this is
So it's
one
a
of the
good way
cards.
to build
This is one
credit.
of the cards that I use to build my credit. See, debit credit card, debit credit card. You get a physical one, and then all the other cards are on your phone, and it's just like a regular credit card, like a regular credit card, and you can keep in track of all your finances. Getting approved is really easy. If you got good credit, then they'll give you credit. If not, it's just self-funded. Um, but they'll take the credit card anywhere. But look, it helps you build credit. You can have multiple credit cards. I'm telling you, you have to try this. There's multiple credit cards, and you can only have like a certain amount of money in there. But you also get points. What can I use my points on? Oh, but by the way, if you do get it the first year, you won't be able to use your points until the first year.
Okay. All right. Cool. Um, See now here you go, Eddie. Fund Trader. I have an LLC for my rideshare. Would you recommend it?
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Just be aware that on the DB credit card, you have 30 days to pay it back. So only use the money that you have in there that you have to pay every month for your bills. And they just report. That's how I was able to get 50 grand for this car, and then I got accepted for another 50 grand for another car, and another 50 grand. 50 grand, like 50,000 was going all over the place. But I only bought one car.
Okay.
But I used that to build up my credit. And it worked out. It really worked out. DB credit card.
There
Yep.
you go.
Scan
There you
it.
go. All right.
If you do, scan it, download it. I had to watch like a ton of YouTube videos on it, to see how it worked. But
All right.
it's really good.
But now we
It's
got
really,
Eddie.
really good.
We got Eddie. That's and that's a video or a class that we need to have. Maybe we schedule something live, a live class to talk about rideshare LLCs, what types of things you can do to build that business out versus off your personal and get yourself going. Because it takes a good 2 years to establish business and business credit.
You know, Nav. Listen, you need Nav.
You need what? What are you talking about now, bro? That was it. That was the sales pitch.
Well, for who's got the business, the LLC.
Fund trader.
Fund trader. Now this is not. I don't get anything for. I don't get anything from this affiliate. You need this account nav. This company, they report. You get a DUNS number. If you got a DUNS number, anything that you get from nav, they report to the credit agencies, including DUNS. And you really need that to report to DUNS. But you gotta open an account, and this gives you it's free. It gives you a breakdown of your credit, and then your personal credit, and your business credit. But you can keep track of your business credit. Not only that, they give you opportunities. It's kind of like Credit Karma, but for business. They give you credit cards, loans, and all that stuff that you can get approved to. And I have done a couple of programs with them where I paid them $150 for like 6 months, and they build my credit up on my business side.
There you go. All right. Dollar starting to rip. VIX is still holding at like the 22.90, $23 area. 10-year bond is coming down. Yeah, we're in a holding pattern, bro. Everything's just
Yeah, I
just
just
for
missed
me.
another opportunity here.
No,
Going
not
back
really.
to
Well, for me on Tesla, it's just ranging now. Now we just got a range here. See, it's just a range for me. I got a range now. I'm not going to sit there and try to scalp this range. That's just insanity. I won't do that. That's not worth it to me.
this is 3 minute, 3 minute. Let's check out the 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minute is right up there.
We got to do
Oversold,
that master class.
divergence, right? This is what you call divergence. Well, not really. Yeah. So it's a lower low here, but it's a higher high on the RSI, and the MACD is curling up.
Spies coming back into another area that I had been watching. I say it's just ranging now, dude. It's 10:52, by the way. I think I'm done trading for the day. I'm gonna take my little 151 and call it a day. I think that's what I'm gonna do. 1483, not bad, not bad. 2 green days. So now, since this we reset this challenge, I've had the one red day was last Monday, and I'm now into what 6 straight green days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, that's 6 straight green days for me. And that's how you build your portfolio. Base hits. I haven't hit a home run.
Yeah,
Base hit.
no, I
That's
messed up. I'm
anything under
down
a hundred
73.
dollars a day. Well, listen, anything under $100 a day is what I call a base hit. So if you make $100 a day or less on your trading, that's a base hit. 100 to 200 is a double. 200, 300 would be a triple. Anything over 300 is a home run. Because we're dealing with, think about that. Less than 10% is a single. 10 to 20% gain is a double. 20 to 30% gain is a triple. Anything over 30% is a home run. And that's the way I look at it. So, are you in anything now? Or are you out of everything?
No, I'm out of everything right now. I'm just I was looking at this, and I should have done it, but I didn't. I waited too long. You know how it was an oversold, so now I'm waiting for it to curl to the upside. Okay, it didn't do it here, but it did do it here, and then how it closed above my 9 EMA. See, Sergio, 9 EMA. It closed above it, and it crossed over, and I got my uptrend going. And I could have rode it all the way up to my first and sold it here. So
Bro, half my bottle's empty. I shipped it to Sergio. He should be getting it in about an hour. Hey, so Fun Trader wants to know what a grand slam is. Anything over 50%. That's a grand slam, bro. Anytime you can hit over 50%, that's a grand slam. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I got 2 left. Oh,
what is that? Are those high pressure pills?
no, bro. Bear aspirin.
Oh, it's bears. Oh, you're very close.
That's that's all I take.
It's the same thing. They all do the same thing.
Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm.
Yesterday, I took a Uber to pick up my truck, and I'm sitting in the back seat, and boom, a headache just hit me. A headache.
Wait a
I
minute.
haven't been in the back seat of a car in a long time.
Wait a minute. You got your truck back?
Yeah, I got the truck back.
You didn't say nothing, dude.
I did. I freaking text you. I even put it on the video.
My ass. You told me you got your truck back.
Yeah, no, I got the truck. Oh, there we go. Look, it popped over the 9 EMA.
Yes.
Um, the
Keep it,
VWAP. Now I'm gonna wait for the. It's gonna go, pull back, wait for the cross, and then see what happens.
bro. You know what? You didn't text me. You got your truck back, bro. That's all right. It's okay. I know where I stand with you now. You now you got me in the same boat as everybody else this morning. It's okay, bro.
There
It's
there
okay.
is.
I got big ass shoulders. I can stand by myself. I've done it most of my life. I got it. I got you.
Damn, Vinny.
What happened, bro?
You 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 want me to give you that much? I could smother you big time. Oh, Vinny. Oh.
Oh man. Let's see. Which ones do I want to use on you?
I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna call you at 3:01.
Bro, you don't want to do
Okay,
that.
and I'm gonna
You
keep
don't want to do
calling
that.
you till you answer.
You don't want to do that, bro. You don't want to do that. You definitely don't want to do that. Ask Richie. Ask Richie what happens when you call me before 8 a.m. Richie got mad at me. He says, "Man, you're always cussing me out when I call you because you called too early."
Oh, that'd be great. That would be great. My daughter does that to me when she's not sleeping. When she doesn't go to bed,
Right.
she'll call me like at 3:01.
Okay.
She's like, "Good morning, Daddy." I was like, "Oh my God!" It's like, "You haven't gone to sleep yet, haven't you?" Right? She's
That's a
like,
beautiful thing,
"No."
bro. But that's a beautiful thing.
I called her today early and at 7 o'clock so I can take her to school, and she never answered. She
Right.
never answered.
You
So,
you did say she got a boyfriend now, right?
ooh,
Is the boyfriend old enough to drive?
I hope she's not watching. Oh, she's not watching, unless she's not in school. Oh, sorry, Sky. He's not supposed to say
Princess Sky
nothing.
needs to be in school. She's supposed to be in school, bro. Quit playing. All right, Tesla just rejected off the 195, $195 support or resistance support. Let's see if that's going to flip it or if we're going to bounce. If this is just a little quick fake out before we run back up.
Uh huh. Uh huh. Yeah.
Uh huh. Anyway, all right, bro. It's 10:58. Oh, so Fun Trader says we need to be more active in Discord. I try to get into the Discord, bro. Um, I don't know, bro. It's a lot. I get
It,
in the Discord, but you know, it's not a bad thing.
I I like this better because it's like right here. It's like right here. It's live. We can adjust like right then and there. Discord. It's when you can't drive and text, but then if you're texting, you can't work. But then you got to keep attention to the Uber and Lyft. If you got to go to call, do
Yep.
if
All
it's
right, Fun
serving in
Trader.
a certain zone, if there's an event going on. So
We will. Hey, bro, make that money while you're out there. Get some rest, and we will catch you tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. on the East Coast, because East Coast is the best coast. 6 o'clock on the West Coast. Rideshare Garage live with Eddie C, with Brandon, with Ron, with Jeff, with Steven, the unbroken driver, with Omar. I'll get Omar's ass up back on. Bro, Omar's been a nice
almost
little.
not here.
No, but he's a nice little addition on the on the Rideshare Garage, bro. I like him on the podcast. He's like a different person, bro. See, when we're on our little radio group, right? When we're on our little Zello group, like he's a straight uh hind parts. But you get him on the video and it's like, oh, it's a different guy. It's a good guy. So
Oh, so he's got a different personality.
Yeah, yeah. Richie wants to just reach out and choke the shit out of him sometimes, but he always tells him, "You're faster than me, but if I ever get a hold of you, you're dead." So Omar does, he just doesn't do nothing with it. It's called Driven by O, but he just doesn't do nothing with it. He hasn't done nothing with it. That if there was one downside to Omar, Omar procrastinates. I don't think he's motivated enough to really pursue anything with YouTube because we've been talking. He has built an entire YouTube studio in his house and still hasn't done nothing with it. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's more of an
I like to be out. I like to be out. Being stuck in the apartment all day and stuff. Like some day traders, they do it full time. Like they do the AM and then they do the PM and all that stuff. And I just want to do it in the AM and then that's it.
right. Oh, we're at a critical point here. What do I want to do? I want to see if this is a fake out on Tesla. If it's going to come back down to the bottom. See what I mean, man? See what I mean, man? I want to see what it's going to do here.
Where's Tesla?
Tesla's right here. It just tapped the VWAP. I'll see if it's going to reject off VWAP because these contracts are pretty cheap now again. Same contracts I capped last time, the 190 contracts. They're down to like 270 now. And I've got 660 I can still trade with. So today I only put half my account at risk.
Yeah, and by the way, when I start trading with the live money, I think my strategy is going to be, $100, $100 in, and that's it.
I
You
don't
know,
well,
until I get used to it, then
all right. So
then
when
I
when,
can just go
when
bigger from there.
are you going to feel comfortable? So let's do this then. Next Wednesday is the first, March 1st. Remember, I put myself on a moratorium. I didn't trade any real money. After I hit the lift puts off earnings, I haven't traded anything live. So you let me know when you're ready to go live money, but maybe we start small. Put a
Yeah,
put
I'm gonna start very small. So I
let's
have
put
about 500. I have about 500 that I'm gonna transfer over. Um,
why don't you
but
just transfer 250?
what?
Transfer 250. We'll start with 250.
Well, I wanted to be able to trade three trades,
You can
three
still
trades
trade.
as I always done, and going for that 10%.
Yeah,
So
but you
500. Some trades, some options, because I have them sitting there waiting for the opportunity, they might go up in price. So that might be a little bit over 100.
you have
So
to
that's
but you
why.
have to
So that's why I
create,
can get my three trades in.
yeah, but listen. Your rules come before your amount of trades. Your rules have to matter first.
Yeah, correct. But
Okay.
I just wanted to
I've
have
made one trade
an
today.
okay amount.
Yeah,
Like, I
but
mean, you should be able to do it with 100, but then again, that's an experienced trader. I mean,
yeah, and 100's
you know,
tough.
yeah.
Richie says transfer 1,000 and stock it there.
Um, but yeah, it's just
I
trying. I'm
don't know.
taking a look at it, but strategy is going to be same as always. I keep modifying it as time goes by, which is I wait. Um, so it used to be the green crossing over the orange, which is usually what I wait for, which is an opportunity. But also when it bottoms out, so if I can catch the reversal, okay, and I can predict the trend, then I know when I can sell when I buy, and going up and then going down, I know when to sell.
Right. Richie says 1,000 is a nice round number.
Yeah, I give it take.
Eh, eh, I don't know. You let me know when you want to.
Sergio said 1,000, but you know, I guess if you're a good trader, and you know what you're doing, you can take 100 and just waiting for opportunities,
Yeah.
because you know all the patterns. You know a lot of the patterns that work. You know,
Well, I would
um,
say a really good trader, besides all the patterns and technicals, They just have a good feel for the market. They have a good feel.
Yeah,
This is why most really good traders focus on two or three stocks only ever, ever. Like I don't trade Apple well, so I don't trade Apple. I trade Tesla very well. I trade Nvidia very well. So if I had to have two stocks that I know I can trade and I'm confident with trading them because I understand what they do, it's Nvidia and Tesla. Spy, I'm iffy on. Apple, I suck at.
but Spy is just, I don't know. It's just one of those things that I just, if I can get it with Spy, then I can get it with everything else. Yeah,
Spy's
correct. Yeah, that's another thing too. If I don't want to use it because I'm not sure, I could just go right to my trading account.
right.
But at least I have it in there.
Okay. Well, I'll slap 250 in there on Wednesday. Maybe no, I'll try to slap 250 in there on Monday. That way it'll be cleared by Wednesday or Thursday for trading options. Because remember, you put money in the Webull account, you'll get instant buying power for stocks. But your options, you have to wait. It's 3 business days. You have to wait for it to completely clear before you can use it for options. So understand that on Webull. With TD Ameritrade, with Thinkorswim, it's the next day. No, I'm sorry, it's 2 days. It's 2 days with them.
Yeah, I never bought options with TD.
Yeah, yeah, because they
Those
want to make
over
sure you got the money.
those.
They want to make sure they got the money in the account because you're trading cash secured puts and longs and calls and puts.
But yeah,
So I'll stick 250 in there on Monday, and we'll go from there. Now, see, 250 for me is going to hamper me a little bit on Tesla, so I got to be really, really, really savvy. Sugar. See how Tesla just rejected off the VWAP there on my chart right here, just rejected right off VWAP. My white line is
ooh,
on VWAP,
yeah, yeah.
rejected right
I'm
off.
on a 2 minute.
That's why I say I don't trust it right now. And some people would look at this chart and say, "Well, Vinny, why didn't you trade? Why didn't you trade the leg up here? Because this leg up here was moving so slow that time theta's just eating that premium up, eating the premium up. So to me, this wasn't. Well, I mean, I could have traded it for probably anywhere from like 3 to 7%, 8%, which is a good trade. Still a good trade, but not feeling it. Made my money, call it a day. Matter of fact, let me put it on my board.
But yeah, I don't know. But this whole real money thing, I mean, imagine I get nervous right now. Imagine when it's real money.
Well,
So
that's why you got to Jedi mind trick yourself into thinking that it is real
yeah.
money. The way you practice is the way you play. The way you practice is the way you play. That's it. And you just have to
Um.
train yourself for that. So let's see, that'd be 242. All right, so I'm up 242 for the 2 days, right? 91, 51, 42. 242, bro. There's the board. Now, you know what's crazy, Eddie? With rideshare, last week after Monday and Tuesday, I was over $500. This week after Monday and Tuesday, I'm at $151.
Yeah.
It's
It's
crazy.
just yeah.
Depend on.
Man, and that's one thing with ride sharing. And now I got to get back into the game because I've had about a week off. So the money that I just have saved, it just
Right.
went right back into paying the business bills. There is
Yep.
one thing that you could do with the business. If you pay yourself. So I use ADP. Um, so I want to pay myself less, and I can take a money out of my business and pay myself like a quarterly
A draw.
shares. Uh,
Yeah, it's called a draw. It's called a draw. Owner's
yeah,
draw.
and then which is tax free.
Really?
Um, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have to start doing that because ADP charges, they charge a the
Wait,
tax
wait,
tax.
wait, 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 wait. No, no, no. Owner's draw is not tax free. You're going to pay taxes on that money on your personal taxes because it's income.
Correct. No, 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 no. If you draw money, kind of like I forgot what it was called, where you pay yourself. I guess it's like a business bonus because they're doing good or something like that. I don't know.
Okay. Well, I
Um,
figure that one out.
I forgot. I forgot what it was called. But it's tax free. It's tax free.
Okay.
You don't have to
Well,
pay taxes on it.
all right. Well, look, it's 11:11. I'm done trading for the day. I've hit my number. I'm good. What do you want to do? You want to push it to 11:30? What time you plan to get out and drive?
Oh, it's 10:11. I don't know, in about an hour, 11 o'clock. That's what I was thinking of doing.
Okay. Yeah, I got to get out and drive today too, and then make sure I'm back in time. I'm looking probably a 4 hour shift today, 3 to 7.
Oh,
But I'm
that's right. Today we got the live. So yeah, so I'm taking it till about 7 o'clock. Yep.
unless
Yep, seven
listen,
o'clock.
bro, I mean, sometimes sometimes you got to work too.
That's right, the live. But I really need to catch up. I literally told my daughter, I was like, "You're not gonna see me for the next couple of weeks." I was like, "Daddy's got a lot of work to do. Daddy's got a lot of work to do. I need to catch up. Well, I need to make sure that my bills are gonna be, next month coming up. So, and technically, I'm working paycheck to paycheck. I got everything paid off.
I think I
Every
might
stuff.
try a different area today when I go out. Make sure I'm on the right things. I'm looking at my lift. Yeah, I'm good there. Bro, it's amazing. I'm telling you, I can't wait to the rideshare garage tonight because I want to talk about my night last night. I really do.
So anyway,
Bro, I got zero Uber pings last night. Zero. Was online with Uber for like 3 hours. No request.
so anyway, all right, let's continue this tomorrow. Let me see. I'm already getting money out. That's what I was doing. I was going
What's
to
that?
my TD. It sucks, I was trying to trade with the TD, but I can't trade with the TD because I totally forgot how to trade with it. Totally
Yeah,
forgot.
well, once you get into Weeble, the rest of that shit don't matter no more, bro. It's really doesn't matter anymore, bro. Let me open this up. I guess I can open this up. Time and sales. You can see your time and sales, bro.
Yeah. All right. I'm just doing some two small trades here. One with Apple puts. Apple and Spy. Apple. Spy and Tesla.
All right. Well, you do your
Um,
thing.
and then
Let's
I'm done. I'm done. So
all
I'm gonna close it. It says right here 9:59, 9:59, and I'm $69 down. Wait, look at those numbers, 69. Hey, even, not even
right.
10.
One last time. Weeble. If you want to hit your Weeble accounts, you want to understand how the platforms we're trading on, the desktops. You see you can arrange them differently. You see that's mine. That's Eddie's. Scan the code. Cost you nothing. $0. Trading View. If you want to start charting, start using the charts that I use to just do your overall charting. Just scan that code. It'll take you there. It costs you nothing. is free of charge.
All free.
The Divvy card, if you want to start to establish some business credit or some personal credit, you can use Divvy. It's a secure card and it will help you establish your credit. It does report to the agencies along with a whole lot of other benefits that Eddie knows all about. And then finally, the Rideshare Garage is up. You can check out what we have in there. We have a shirt, we got a couple of hats, we got a coffee mug, we got all that good stuff there just waiting for you. So, just something to think about. All right, Eddie, take us home, buddy.
All right. See you again, guys, tomorrow at 8:25 in the morning, where we watch two rideshare guys getting out and going right into the day trading. So,
All right, listen.
all right, let's keep making this money.
I'm going to be on at 9:15. Eddie can join us at 9:25 when he gets done working, because I want to start charting what I'm looking at on Tesla, Spy, Nvidia in the morning, so people can see what I'm looking at. So if they see something that I don't see, they can help me out. And if I see something that they don't see, I can help them out, and we can set up our ranges for the day.
Yep.
So
Until everybody starts seeing the same thing. And then when everybody starts seeing the same thing, now everybody's on the same page.
all right, buddy, take us home. Take us home. Take
All
us
right.
home. Take us home.
Peace.